Mold can be a serious problem for homeowners, affecting both the health and living inside and the structural integrity of the building. At Expert Environmental, we understand the importance of a thorough and safe mold removal. Mold can grow in many different environments, from damp basements to humid bathrooms. It's important to address mold growth immediately to prevent further damage to your home and potential health risks for you and your family. Our trained professionals use state-of-the-art equipment and techniques to safely and effectively remove all traces of mold from your home. We take great care to ensure that the mold is removed completely and the affected areas are properly cleaned and restored. At Expert Environmental, our top priority is your safety and satisfaction. We guarantee our work and will work with you every step of the way to ensure that your home is mold-free and safe for you and your family. Trust the experts at Expert Environmental for all your mold removal needs.